back to another Ramadan vlog. Today we are on the hunt for Costco goat chops. If you follow me on Instagram, you may have seen me make these. We all love them, and I'll share the link to the super simple recipe in the description box below. So be sure to check it out. No luck, and so we are now headed to Kroger, where we will do the rest of our groceries, and our neighborhood Kroger is our favorite. So lately I love checking out the plant section outside. Even if I don't buy anything, it's really refreshing and lifts my spirits. So I hang out here for a bit. Alright guys, so we're back from the grocery store, and I just wanted to show you few things that I do when I get back. So for the cilantro, I always store it in a glass jar with some water to dip the stems in, and this stays really well for up to like 2 to 3 weeks, honestly. Like, keep it on the second shelf of the fridge. Don't put it at the top because that tends to just wilt and rot the leaves. This is something new I learned recently. I'm waiting to see if these grow. We'll see how that goes. And then I have the secret ingredient to my fruit chart that I am going to make today, which is the guava. And we have our fruit for the week. This is what goes on once we get back from the store. Okay, let's talk packaged foods. So I usually get my oats gluten-free. Because they're manufactured in the same factory as wheat. So if you're looking to keep gluten out, make sure you get the gluten-free variety. And here is Cinnamon Toast Crunch. My boys have been craving, they've been fasting, so we try and get the better product out there. And here you can see it's all organic. There is some more sugar than I would like, but clean for the most part. Monday comes along and a friend of mine asked me if I wanted to go for a walk. You know, in Ramadan, I'm trying to keep my high impact exercising at a minimum, and I just love breathing and just taking in the lovely weather. Welcome to our kitchen. Today we're making General Tso's shrimp, and my teen is making that for us. I'm just going to help out today. Actually, I'm making this really amazing, I want to show you the box. I'm making this keto brownie that I got from Costco, and that'll be dessert. I'm gonna go get the box to show you. This is the keto and paleo brownie. Highly recommended, especially since I'll be adding butter this time. So I'll let you know. Last time I added coconut oil and it was great, but it was a little on the drier side. But this time I'm adding butter, melted butter, and I'll show you how it goes. So cooking with my teen is something that you know, we haven't done much of, and I really welcome the times that he wants to come and help me out in the kitchen, make something fun. He loves experimenting and, you know, checking out different recipes, and we just cook together, and that just gives me life. So the cake mix is done, and now we are taking care of the shrimp. We're making, like I said, General Tso's shrimp, and we just switched up the wheat and all the gluten-based ingredients with just great swaps like arrowroot powder and coconut aminos. So here are the shrimps. Turned out pretty nice and crusty. I would actually prefer to do them in corn flour, which would give them, you know, better crust. And I always deep fry in coconut oil, the refined kind, so you don't get the coconutty taste. My salad game is going pretty strong. I had commit to eating a salad a day, even during Ramadan. Rather eating my greens, so either it's a green smoothie or some salad. Today it's a cucumber sesame based salad to give it that Chinese taste. So we have cucumbers in there, we have avocado, I put some zucchini in there, basically whatever I have in the fridge. And that's about it. You know, you just have to keep it simple and work with what you have and try your best, do your best, and that's all that's really needed. Alright guys, so that's the finished product. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe if you want to see more such videos, and I'll see you in the next one.